Yes, something alpha baby.
You for
I'm playing game now. I'm friend catching some massa. So when you saw for Biakuno,
Chelsea wants more of the same. Hey,
City France here could company. Never so.
Well, is there or the over Enzo go come and cobre.
Oh, but Namian Lukeni and now those are a community shield game. So, me person, you bet really so much on it. But I think that, and many that school of thought are more kase. Say ya na Man City ebe both season in the area and yema enko in me no mbe ya dwen. City team nye.
City nye say.
City team nye.
How is the team not good?
It more ancestor na no ma the green line say Rodri nko Barcelona.
Rich. Me when say Rodri deal no. City for no are getting more than what Barcelona are getting. Rich. Then City for Rodri nye. But they not G Premier League multiple times. Champions League on GB da on Abra Bomuna na Ayedino. Or the Rodri Aji. Now Rodri is staying 30. Rodri was it, I don't think in the history of Chelsea any player be Aji Ballon d'Or whilst playing for Chelsea before. But for Manchester City, my best years as a club, more dominating Premier League, they've gotten a player that has won the Ballon d'Or for them. Still, even going to the World Cup, World Cup, essentially the best player at the World Cup. The player was wearing the blue of Manchester.
What you
and he
coupled with injuries.
And mind you, right after Sergio Ballon d'Or, we thought that okay, what could be the next level of Rodri Cascantino? And we had the ACL injury. Record since Rodri started on the ball top level from Atletico de Madrid to Manchester City. The season when he had the least game time was last season, where he had less game time. He couldn't influence the game. Which when Madrid were dilly-dallying and they were not too sure about Rodri Cascante, the bigger question was that the fitness and the durability to saying. Because sometimes you want to know how durable the player is, especially at this stage in their career. Sometimes player and drinker so but in truth, the sheer physical levels that a player is put through for 38 game weeks no.
Easy.
So only 32, 33, 34. And which sometimes we forget. Even the mental side of it is huge. Because at that point in time, even for Omi or late crown, at that time there is family. There is a wife, there are kids. So the mental stress plus the physical toll it has on your body. It's rich. Because two European clubs in T, a lot of people are putting it in euros. So the 65 million euros no marginal. Plus the add-ons. According to David Austin, it's a 60 million fixed fee. Plus almost 11 million add-ons.
I'm not for David Austin in control. English media and person when you know deal no.
Mr. Fatino media mami. David Austin in control.
I'm so Austin in control. Now Fabrizio Dienu Mumuna with the figures now on them and then accurate. With the Austin because
English
Nintino as a the figures ni be there account and I'm bloat here no.
Michelle, just before I go, Jeff Michelle, se fatili no ma me ba cho I won't share me touch ni MB which the credibility of David, I doubt that he would lie. And I will stand to differ with the word so you can't throw. But I say we encounter Hasi because in recent days about a big story in terms of transfers. Who said today the last time David was seeing the reports by Foyandi on Monday to Madrid. Maybe we say Oboa because Florian Plattenberg say Enyano Kre. Which the variables in the transfer conversation it does. Me Ngana Kre friend is saying so be more information baby nipo man information can the source ebia maybe source a player and agent ebia who source a club no ebia who cross source no dey o dey club no sporting director ebia a coach. So those little differences are always going to be there. It doesn't mean a player need control. who just had Florian Plettenberg issue now, Rich. It was clear that Plettenberg's source was RB Leipzig. To protect Leipzig interest, David was thinking, Fabrizio also put in clearly the choice of words, and I've always said that the diction is important in transfer conversation. The choice of words of Fabrizio were clear. Put in say Madrid for na catch and say Masha ye. Dia kemi ese ye bia na ye nyom getting ye be. And ye bia wa confirm from boy the agent be oh ye obeko. Inti Platinum so obo so Masha obeko. Ampampa oko. So sometimes those little differences, I don't think say still maybe a chantro. I don't think so be chantro. Chantro a machine see. Which Arsenal look sharper. They look sharper. And in a World Cup year, mind you, anytime we do any analysis, team and the players be call far in the World Cup, they can be susceptible to certain sharpness when the season begins. Which now Okase City team no any. Because when a team loses Rodri, loses Bernardo Silva, loses Pep Guardiola, a lot of things have lost.
Quality in the doors on the door.
And now Osha midfield on boy Nico Gonzalez mo, Bobo for 14 and the number 10. There is a certain level of soul and control every City team in him. But that doesn't mean that they will not do well. Oh yeah, Chelsea near. Of course, you say Empire but Enzo Maresca is good enough. They need to bring in their signings. Almost the Ayub Boadi Beba. Fatilo Mr. Touching in Yejuma. Almost the Ayub Boadi Beba. After so many Ayub Boadi Bebano. After say they showed Rodri Cascante to Barcelona, no, I won't be surprised. Say they come back on the table for Enzo Fernandez.
That's what Mama and Yama clear. There was a deadline date.
Yeah.
Meet the deadline date, you know, or you lose the player forever.
Yeah.
It is a Man City amount deadline date. Now engineer meet there. I then install now more than no more. I be discussing.
Some Bekacho say after that, and the reports that came again, diction. Reports never ruled out after that deadline date. They say Chelsea for not listen to anybody again. Almost say now the 120 million offer is off the table. Inti akwa say make me too coin. Na ese mi bookie hotels bi. Bana Kofi misi kanso. Na me hwa ade na me pese nka me delay na nka misi ka betum na me tua. But I'm just menya offer. Eno kwa na wa fi na nya. O ma me pressure. Some no did it. Me share about crabba. After the time no so you miss carry buy. That offer was off. I had to pay more. So sometimes when they give you an offer, yes, we have a flat offer and fatilo but you're still taxing them. You will now have to come and pay more to do that. Until maybe now the
so Kofi me to point and say
yeah.
Now the 120 offer near off.
It's off the table.
The table.
Yeah.
It is a Man City still numbers on your business there.
Maybe at 130.
Then be at 130,
140, 150. But we must
the inflation there, they don't know.
I see, you're just getting in. Rich, may say, Man City 150 bar, the engineer man's uncle.
150 is really a doubt.
Only 130 grab by engine. The man's uncle. I understand.
It's a project.
Ebeha. Rich, but a Nambia Bonuma Batahon. To every decision,
there is me problem with Tona Motono at the project Chelsea.
Yes,
but players now don't move your project. As along the line now to and a bus unless I don't come back.
You see,
that's my problem.
For a player's agent to stand anywhere and tell you say, or no money class will be the dim common near Sansa my deadline. The reports is that still Enzo Fernandez, any agent have a story, any Man City for only doing come up consistently, you know. Which nobody can separate an agent from the player. Forget about that. There is no way in the world. Which imagine say, oh, you went to your court, but you have an attorney. Now attorney needs a court, and you've given that person the power of the attorney. Which the agent has the player's power of attorney to represent him. If those days that I used to work, say may represent one pharmaceutical company, they don't need to call anybody. It's me. So Javier Pastore represents Enzo Fernandez. And as much as Javier keeps on saying Obesoko, if a better offer comes 150 million, Rich Miminya and my Enzo Ontena, because Enzo is a top player. But if still things begin to go as they are going, now when Tinian keep a player now, you have no option but to let him go. You have no option. You have to let him go. Then you find other ways. Say Yazoo, small boy now, or boy preseason Abemana for now plus Laviamo. Then you look at how the season will go until January. Then you do that. Because I don't think Alex Scott's stylistic fits to what Xabi Alonso wants to do. I don't think that Adam Wharton is that player because Enzo has that wide range. And that is the issue. But if the player constantly says he wants to go, and in the case of Enzo Fernandez, the only difference between Yaya Diaway and Julian Alvarez, say Julian Alvarez, the release clause and KDN 120 500 million. It's I don't know. Any deal for him, but in this case, you would have to pay more. You have to pay less for Fredo, Enzo Fernandez, and that's exactly what Chelsea for are trying to do. Rich in Rodri, they have a good team. But who say ESPN for want to say, based on how things have gone this season, any preseason, it looks as if Arsenal for beats me as League, and which I don't have a lot of qualms. Oh, season is say why pan should be in the league? It looks like Arsenal can repeat it.
Sure.
Pep is out of the league.
Carrick do a
I'll come there. The way
Carrick.
The way that we change the coaches, Xabi Alonso in his first season here, Antonio Areola Liverpool.
First season.
His first season at Liverpool, Antonio Areola Bono. Usually first season you don't expect him to go full haul because or sappy all the energy from the players. This season, Opa bet beforehand is the fact that Liverpool concede more goals in the second half because Antonio Areola wants to press very high. By the second half, like in preseason, there are a lot of cracks in the system. You look at Enzo Maresca, he's now going to build a team of his own at Manchester City, but Mikel Arteta has a much more stable team. Osande Bruno Gamarash account. Fiifi. Mind you, last season, Otto Mosquera, so Saliba Prakram put that there are two centre-back players that can play. Carlo Fiore are getting into their second season. The Arsenal season is in the right place to go on and play again. And for me, that's the most important thing. Rich, the way that Ineos are running Manchester United, I expected Manchester United to go through what they are going. Rich, they be a catch a rule. That midfield of Kobe Mainoo, Andre Santos, Yuri Tilema. You cannot play the Champions League, play the league, play FA Cup, play Carabao Cup. Tilema near a 30 plus. Andre Santos only a proper full season as the mainstay of the midfield before. Then there is Kobe Mainoo, who is a true Manchester United boy. But really, Kobe Mainoo the kind of player you can depend on. Which in fact, when you look at the team, now even in terms of the player profile, nobody is a destroyer. Only three technical controllers and midfielders. Tillman can play as box-to-box 8. Andre can do the box-to-box 8. Kobe will sit. But who is a destroyer in that team? So Bruno Fernandes even as a tenor. So those are the issues. Yes, the goalkeeping problem was solved last season with Sani Lamen. Left-hand side, hold on no. Rich, say look show Premier Man. Are you now going to still bank your hopes on Patrick Logu on the left? Once a certain Miles Lewis Kelly could have come in and we invent a certain point in time another midfield addition, another fullback addition, or a dynamic in terms of how he plays. So for me, the fact that Ineos have not, I don't know, maybe because the last few years investment are more and repeat Rasmus Højlund, Zegzid, Asu Jirembi.
We are very good observant, Pao. When you take me a game against AC Milan.
Yeah.
Exactly the Abam team, man. We need a destroyer.
Because I mention a game against Amorim team. Because we did acquiring your four. Now, I'm poor match on the Machona, Manchester General when we share. I'm saying, Senior, we miss you. We miss you. Or say, you miss my boring press conference, but today you feel it. Just say, I'm going to come with you.
We are tuning, especially MF for the day. we need to do something about it.
United has
because overall Premier League, as I combine with the Champions League, on a problem. To see ya near here, last season, so I was on near the Shaz in Abia, and one never started, and we need to do something ASAP.
Because Casemiro we got United need to find but ana na say mo small boys team so Fletcher no bobo ro to ada mo ni no chego
osua
mo ni team yasa we as wa chego we say
sign as Amorim say for Amorim
but say they said the team ni physically the team ni
oh of course AC Milan team no Brante no.
And I don't know, but I saw an interview also of Tielemans on it. Ferdinand interview. Tielemans said that this preseason, Carrick Juvenina has been focused on ball work. They don't do a lot of physicals.
Okay.
So when I watched the game again, I also felt that it looks as if Mourinho has done more physical work on the team. So to share how the goals came. It's clear. So there may be some fatigue, and United team are not fully up there. In terms of how we'll be able to play more matches and saying the year against the corner. Jose Mourinho and about against Schalke 04. I see team here fits to go and compete. Maybe I don't have any problem with Jose as a manager. Top, brilliant, experience. And I think that at that point in time, Madrid, maybe Madrid about Bedruno. One of the things they needed was a personality like Jose. Obi or commander respect with that experience that he has and the personality that he comes with. Because the Madrid team may not have the Galacticos of old, but in this modern generation, Madrid for one new Galacticos. When there is Mbappe, when there is Vini Jr., when there is Jude Bellingham, some boys way, no matter how you look at it, are Galacticos of their own. Yes. They may not have won the Champions League back to back, or for Mbappe, Crampo, on GBD. But in the context of Madrid and big players in its definition, these are big players. And sometimes you need a bigger personality to tame them. I am not surprised. I've seen videos of Jose Mourinho speaking with Mbappe, then they say Gunechi. He commands it. The only problem with Jose and the Madrid team is, I said, Saturday when I'll say it again. I will need a week or two to watch them in proper games. Because, Rich, whether you like it or not, in the current dispensation of football, all the principles now have to come together before you are successful. Tactically, as you're a good coach and you have to have a good structure. Your team have to have a good culture. Your players have to be top notch. They may be American. Say these things don't go one ahead of the other. They always go hand in hand. They are all supposed to go in tandem. Jose Mourinho probably have set the culture right at Madrid. But if tactically they fail and they are not a good team, they don't harness the qualities of some players now. It won't say Barca for no car way to Ramon Sanchez Pizjuan now Sema Tuomo. No ma car way to Villarreal now for Renesi. No ma co Camp Nou now for Rodri ma bomb 3-4. Then the cracks begin to come.
Okay.
When the cracks come, Jose is no nonsense. He will take it. And that is where the problems will begin to come in. We'll wait to see how the season starts. Season starts here. We'll analyze Madrid better.
Sure.
We'll look at their strengths and their weaknesses. And truly, if Jose can do beyond your mind, they will see. Say, this season, the analyze season, boom. We want to make it better times 2 or 3.
Okay.
Now, from Friday, boys, na Fesca. From Friday, Ebumie, Saturday, Ebumie, Sunday, Ebumie. Iti leaks now starts in Kwade, Michelle. So one man, my first can then I don't know for you. My mean, my quotes no quickly into that. Then we go on. First one, a BW698FCFDC. Second one, a BW698FA65E. Third one, a BW698F8E18. Fourth one, a BW698F798F. Fifth one, a BW698F6E17. Rich Oko, all social media handles, Fiifi Manfred, I've been your coach, no one.
Okay.
And
that's it. And so boom, and so bet me. ayɛ adwuma gift arms ɔsɛ ha richardo